That check engine light just came on. You scan it tanned boom P0010. Most drivers ignore this code and end up with massive engine damage. Don't make that mistake. Simple explanation. Code P0010 means there's a problem with your camshaft position actuator circuit bank 1. In simple words, your engine's valve timing isn't working properly, and timing is everything for your engine. Why this is serious? Your engine depends on precise timing between the camshaft and crankshaft. If that timing goes off, you lose power. Fuel economy drops, and worst case, internal engine damage. Common symptoms, here's what you might notice. Rough, idle engine shaking at stop, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel mileage. Engine stalling, sometimes. Check engine light always on. If you feel these, don't wait. Main causes, easy breakdown. Let's break it down simply. 1. Dirty or low engine oil. Oil controls the VVT system. Dirty oil equals bad timing. 2. Faulty VVT solenoid oil control valve. This part controls oil flow to adjust timing. 3. Wiring issues. Broken wires or loose connectors can trigger P0010. 4. ECM problems, rare. The engine computer may fail, but this is uncommon. Step-by-step fix DIY friendly. Step 1. Check engine oil. Open the hood, pull the dipstick. Low or dirty oil. Gives change oil plus filter immediately. Step 2. Inspect VVT solenoid. Locate it near the engine head. Remove it carefully. Spray with throttle body cleaner. Clean all dirt and sludge. Step 3. Check wiring. Look at the connector. Any corrosion, loose plug, broken wires. Fix or reconnect properly. Step 4. Replace the solenoid if needed. Still getting P0010. Replace the VVT solenoid, cheap and easy fix. Pro tip, always use the correct engine oil grade. Wrong oil equals VVT system failure over time. Warning, build urgency. Ignore this code and you risk severe engine wear. Timing issues getting worse. Expensive repairs or even engine failure. Fix it early. Save thousands later. Simple checks can protect your engine for years. Follow 4 more real car repair secrets mechanics don't tell you.